welcome to the Washroom Show, where we're going to be talking about solid waste in pits. My name is Zach, your usual suspect, and in this series, we'll be giving you the insights of what actually happens every time you throw that trash in the pit. To get started, we'll be introducing exactly what we are trying to raise. And for starters, what is a pit latrine? A pit latrine actually is designed to contain fecal waste. And in this case, they're popular in sub-Saharan Africa because they are an alternative to areas that do not have great sewer coverage. And that said, they are designed in a way that they may be lined or unlined, but the standard practice is to have them lined so that they ease emptying. Unlined pits are quite tricky to empty because in most cases, the water filters out, leaving hard pans that later become problematic. Now, when we are talking about some of the solid waste that is common in pits, one cannot fail to think about the plastics, which are common, the clothings that we have that are old. Then we also think about the condoms, and then the sanitary towels, diapers, and these all end up in the pits. The question is, why do the communities really have to do this? Well, there is a story behind every waste that you see in the pit. Firstly, there are issues to do with taboo. Bodily fluids like blood, menstrual blood, and then you have reproductive fluids also becoming an area of contention. And you also think about issues to do with failure in solid waste management systems. This, combined with the lack of alternatives and finding convenience, have been some of the contributors to having this waste dumped in pits. Well, the most popular waste that we have in pits is the non-biodegradable. The non-biodegradable waste is one of the areas that really challenges the community. And interestingly, by observation, most of this is recyclable. Therefore, there is an opportunity that we can use to turn this waste into wealth. For example, you can have the waste cyclers collecting this waste and then sending it to the cycling plants where they could sell it at a reasonable cost.
The Washroom Show. Small spaces, big impact.